In this video, I'll guide you through how to sign out on Indeed. Whether you're using a shared computer, switching accounts, or just wrapping up a job search session, knowing how to properly sign out is an important little security habit that's easy to overlook. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along, even if you're not very tech savvy. First, you'll need to open Indeed. You can do this in a couple of ways. On a computer, open your web browser and type the Indeed website address into the address bar at the top, then press enter. If you visited Indeed before, it might already appear in your bookmarks or your browser history, so you can use that as a shortcut. On a phone or tablet, you might be using the Indeed app instead. In that case, just tap the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer to open it. Once Indeed is open, make sure you're actually signed in. You'll usually know you're logged in if you can see your name or a profile picture at the top of the page or in a menu. If you're on the website, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a small profile icon, which might look like a little person, your initials, or your photo, depending on how your account is set up. On the mobile app, that profile icon is often located either at the bottom of the screen in a navigation bar or at the top, sometimes behind a menu button that looks like three horizontal lines. Next, click or tap your profile icon. This opens a small menu connected to your account. Take a moment to let it load, especially if your internet connection is a bit slow. This menu is where you'll find options related to your account, such as viewing your profile, checking your messages, adjusting your settings, and of course, signing out. In that menu, look for the option that says Sign Out. On most versions of Indeed, it appears near the bottom of the list, clearly labeled. On a computer, move your mouse down the list and click on Sign Out. On a phone or tablet, simply tap it with your finger. After selecting Sign Out, Indeed will log you out of your account and usually return you to the main homepage or a sign-in screen. A quick way to confirm you've successfully signed out is to check that your name or profile picture is no longer visible at the top of the screen. Instead, you'll typically see options like Sign In or Create Account. If you're using a shared or public device, such as a computer at a library, a school, or a workplace, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or the Indeed app once you've signed out. This helps reduce the chance that someone else could access your account history or personal information, and that's all there is to it. You open Indeed, click or tap your profile icon and select Sign Out. It's a simple process, but it goes a long way toward keeping your job search activity private and your account secure.